Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, September 19th. Futures extending declines we saw last week here in the pre-market so far this morning ahead of the Fed to come over the next 2 days. Remember the two-day Fed meeting starting Tuesday. We'll get the interest rate decision coming up on Wednesday this week. Could possibly be the most important week of the year in that sense. How will the market react? Will it be a 75 basis point increase or a full 100 basis point increase right now, but an 80-20 look as far as the 75 versus the 100, according to the CME Fed Funds tool. Here's a look at the markets right now. Still, yeah, as I mentioned, red numbers right across the board. S&P 500 down about a full percent, 0.83 for the Dow, more than a full percent for the NASDAQ right now. I direct your attention, however, to the bottom end of the screen because pretty ugly start to the day for cryptocurrencies, another 5+%. For Bitcoin, Ethereum was 10% at one point, 9.03 right now. Here are a few things we're watching. First off, we'll give you a look at the overall market here. If you remember Friday, we got the gap down, then a bit of a pushback to the upside. We're in this range right now, around this 384 for the SPY. But yeah, all eyes on rate hike and rate hike worries heading into the new week. FedEx back on watch, back to the downside again this morning. More price target cuts, downgrades after, yeah, its worst day ever. If it's tough to see, maybe behind there it is. Its worst day ever for the shares on Friday, down more than 20% at one point. We'll talk about FedEx. More downgrades, price target cuts for this one as well. Adobe coming off the $20 billion acquisition of Figma. Analysts really not liking this deal. Calling it overpriced. This thing was 400, almost 400, going back just 4 or 5 days ago. Now sitting at $300. Tesla with some positivity this morning. They've completed the upgrades on the Shanghai factory, targeting 2,200 cars per week now coming out of Shanghai for Tesla. So some positivity there. We'll have a look at Amazon as well. If you go back a few months ago, Amazon announced a new production manufacturing facility or storage shipping center out of Spain. They have now shelved that idea going forward due to current economic conditions. So Amazon under a little bit of pressure this morning. And yeah, WIX.com, Starboard taking a 9% stake. WIX.com shares up here, although my chart not working. Trust me when I say they're up here in the pre-market. Grab the watch list, guys. We'll send it right to your inbox now. Use the QR code on screen. 30,000. No, I was going to say 300,000. We're not quite there yet. 30,000 a day gets sent out. Make sure you're one of them. Use a QR code on screen right now. We'll see you at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.